Category: M Travel and Tourism. The SMS 139 service, an initiation by the Indian Railways Catering and Tourism Corporation Limited, is powered by the technological platform developed by Spice Digital Limited. Aimed at increasing customer satisfaction, the service gives the customer easy access to information regarding PNR status, train arrival departure, its running location, accommodation availability and fare inquiry. This service not only reduces the traveller's dependence on agents and manual inquiries, but also presents them with a one-stop solution for travel-related information.